welcome to Northwest Guns. Bad news for everybody. There won't be any range footage for a while on the channel, except for the stuff I previously recorded for some reviews. Unfortunately, as you guys can see behind me, everything's still filled up with smoke. Montana's still under fire. Both ranges that I go to are both shut down. So there's going to be no range footage for a little while until the stuff is opened back up. This really sucks because we had some good products coming in and some stuff I really wanted to show you guys here at the range, and especially some long range footage. Unfortunately, everything is either in a high rate of stage 1 or stage 2 fire compliance right now in the state of Montana. So do the best I can to get you guys out some more content, some more footage, but we do have a precision rifle build coming up. We guys will be able to do that one at the shop, but I really want to take that one out and actually shoot it, show you guys how to fire form brass and everything, but we'll probably do that in a future video. So till next time, guys, see you later. See you guys on the live streams. See you on the next video.